What's up mga kind warriors? Alam nyo ba yung tinatawag na grounding? Naririnig nyo ba yung grounding sa autistic kids? Ang grounding ay mga paraan para tulungan ang autistic child na kumalma, mag-feel safe, at bumalik sa present moment kapag na-overwhelm, anxious, o papunta sila sa meltdown. Para itong anchor, something na makakapag-stabilize sa kanya kapag too much na yung paligid. Merong mga common grounding techniques. Napakasimple nito at effective. Una, yung deep pressure. Ito yung yakap, yung weighted blanket, yung big pillows. Nakaka-relax ito kasi nagbibigay ito ng steady, comforting pressure. Ikalawa, yung fidget or sensory tools, no? Gaya ng stress ball, ng puppet, ng jewelry, no? This helps na ilabas ang anxious energy at mapatutok siya sa isang bagay. Ikatlo, breathing exercises gaya ng inhale, exhale, no? Blow the candle, box breathing, no? Tapos mag-inhale ka ng 4 times and i-hold mo, then exhale para nag-yoga. This is perfect to bring back the calmness, no, inside them. And ikaapat, yung safe space or calming corner, no? Ito yung tahimik na lugar with pillows, stuffed toys, soft lights, no? Kung saan siya pwedeng mag-regulate kapag overstimulated na siya. And ikalima, yung grounding through movement, no? Ito yung jumping, yung swinging, yung pushing at pulling ng objects, no? Medyo heavy work, no? Kasi yung movement is very calming for many autistic kids. When is grounding needed nga ba? Kapag may sensory overload, kapag anxious sila, kapag meron difficulty sa transition, merong early signs of meltdown, nararamdaman mo na magme-meltdown siya, and ang panghuli sa lahat, no, kapag hirap sila mag-focus dahil sa stress. Paano nakakatulong yung grounding? Autistic kids often struggle with sensory processing, emotional regulation, mga biglaang pagbabago, yung biglaang changes, no? Grounding gives them predictability, comfort, and control. Kaya bumababa ang stress at mas bumibilis silang kumalma. Alright? Malinaw ba? Peace!